Hey there! In this quick video, I'll be showing you how to create your templates or save emails that you're working on to reuse them multiple times for your next campaigns or automations. So here you have in the templates area all the templates available built by us. We're adding constantly new ones, but you can see that they accommodate quite a lot of variety of different use cases, and you can easily customize with the drag and drop builder. But you also have the ability to create your own. And you can click on the three dots and actually clone an existing template if you want, or you can start from scratch. It is up to you. So let's say that we want to clone this one and slightly modify it to however we want. So we can just clone it and we can start modifying this design, add maybe a different background for the whole email, maybe something like this. And, edit it however you want and create a new version. You can add a name to this email now. So let's say 1. And you can preview, of course, or just save this as a new template. Again, you have the ability to create it whatever you want and add whatever sections you want as well. So let's add here that too. So when you click on save, you can save this template. And when you go back to your emails and templates, you can see under My Templates is this new design that we have just created. And this will now be available when you're creating a new email for a campaign or automation. This is how easy and simple it is. Now, if you already created something here as a campaign, let's say here we start a new campaign. And first of all, you can see now this new design that you can choose. And if you build something in a campaign already and you want to reuse it, you don't want to start again and build it as a template, you will have here in the three dots on top, you have the option to save it as a template. So if you build something during the creation of a campaign or automation, you can easily save it and start reusing it for as many times as you want. And this is it. This is how simple it was to create our first email template and save it and reuse for campaigns and automations.